The Fed's really not convinced that inflation is easing. Robotaxis under the safety microscope and your Monday pick. Arbitrage News Daily starts right now. Good morning, here's your Arbitrage News Daily for Monday, December 19th, 2022. I'm Joshua Stark. After scaling 40-year highs, inflation in the United States has slowly been easing since summer, yet the Federal Reserve seems decidedly unimpressed and unconvinced that its fight against accelerating prices is anywhere near over. On Thursday, stock markets buckled on the growing realization that the Fed may be willing to let the economy slide into recession if it decides that's what's needed to drive inflation back down to its annual 2% target. The S&P 500 stock index lost roughly 100 points, or 2.5%, in the worst day since early November. More after this.
Adopt US Kids presents What to Expect When You're Expecting a Teenager. Learning the lingo.
Jelly. Jelly adjective. Jelly is a shorter, better way to say jealous. As in, Chloe, I am like so jelly of your unicorn phone case.
You don't have to speak teen to be a perfect parent. Thousands of teens in foster care will love you just the same. Visit adoptuskids.org, brought to you by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, Adopt US Kids, and the Ad Council.
U.S. safety regulators are investigating reports that autonomous robotaxis run by General Motors Cruise LLC can stop too quickly or unexpectedly quit moving, potentially stranding passengers. 3 rear-end collisions that reportedly took place after Cruise autonomous vehicles braked hard kicked off the probe, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. At the time, robotaxis were staffed by human safety drivers. Your Monday Pick provides e-commerce solutions to brand partners in the People's Republic of China. The company offers IT infrastructure setup and integration, online store design and setup, online store operations, visual merchandising and marketing campaigns, customer service, and warehousing and order fulfillment. Baozun, symbol BZUN, starts at $5.18 a share. More after this.
Honorary Forest Ranger Betty White here, lending a hand to my dear friend Smokey Bear, because for years he's only said,
only you can prevent wildfires.
But there's a lot more to say. Like if you park your car on tall, dry grass, the hot exhaust pipe can start a wildfire. So keep the animals safe, especially the cute shirtless one. Go to SmokeyBear.com to learn more about wildfire prevention. Brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service, your state forester, and the Ad Council.
Have you checked out arbitragetrade.org lately? Not, yeah, sure, Josh, I'll check it out. But no, really, go and check it out. Notice you don't have to sign in for any of our educational content. Just click that education tab and introduce yourself to our extensive library of seminars, 1-point lessons, and 101 courses, all free. You'll thank me, and so will your wallet. Go now, arbitragetrade.org. Why are you still here? Have a nice day.
Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is a privately held market research company. Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, is solely responsible for the preparation and distribution of the content of this podcast. The opinions offered in this podcast are for informational purposes only and are not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. For more information about the informational research and services offered by Arbitrage Trade Analytics, LLC, please visit arbitragetrade.com.